Today we are going to start, or rather we are going to do the continuation of the previous topic which we have done previously. We have started the unit number 6, that was about solutions. Firstly, we have studied about what are solutions, what is the difference between solution, and how we can prepare it, what is the way to separate it, and so many things. Then we studied about that how we can prepare a solution, how many components are over there. Like if I say a solution is made up of two parts, right? A solution is made up of two parts. Number one is solute and the other one is solvent. I am just repeating so that आपको याद रहे, right? Solution basically consists of two parts. Number one was solute and the other one was solvent. Now, Amna, can you hear me? Amna, Fatma, Mahdunisa.
Yes, teacher, I can hear you.
Okay, Amna, have you attended the previous lecture? Amna, have you attended the last lecture? Amna. Okay, Osman, tell me what is solvent?
सॉल्वेंट वो चीज है जिसके अंदर किसी चीज को मिक्स किया जाए.
अदर देन दैट एक और चीज बताई थी हमने.
जो सॉल्वेंट ज्यादा क्वांटिटी के अंदर होता है.
Yeah, solvent is always in large
more quantity.
Switch on your camera. Right. Solute is the amount which is in less amount.
Yes.
And solvent is always in larger or in excess. So this was about the solution, that a solution is made up of two components. One is solute and the other one is solvent. Right. Now we have also studied about different types of solutions, that how they are made. We have studied about saturated, unsaturated, and one was super saturated solution. So we ended up our last lecture with the dilutions of solution, in which we were studying dilutions, that there are two types of dilutions we usually study. Number one was dilute solutions, and the other is concentrated solution, right? Dilute solution basically is the amount of solution, you can say, is the those type of solutions in which relatively small amount of dissolved solute is present, in which we add small amount of solute, means solute जितना उसमें present होता है हम उसको dilute कर देते हैं by further putting up the solvent, that is dilution. And concentrated, in it the solute amount is larger or it remains the same, because we don't need to dilute it. So there are two types of solution with which we work usually in labs. Zohaib, please switch on your camera, bete. Walaikum assalam. Okay, concentrated solutions are basically those solutions which contain relatively large amount of dissolved solute in the solution, right? So we have done with it, and the example in your book is that brine. Brine is basically you can say it's a salt. Its formula is Na2B4O7, and 10 water molecules are attached with it. So brine is a concentrated solution of common salt in water. And it is you can highlight the daily example. So these terms describe the concentration of the solution, and when we add more water in that, then the solution of brine will be turned towards dilute solution. Okay. Now if anyone has any question till here, they can ask. Any question?
Teacher, no.
Okay. Do you have any question over there?
नो कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है.
Right. Hopefully, girls, आपकी तरफ से भी कोई question नहीं होगा. If there is any question you want to ask anything, you can. You don't want to ask on mic, you can also do message in chat box, right? Okay, so it's page number 99. Now we are going to do the types of solution. You can also open your books. It's there is a table in your book, page number 99. Over there is types of solution. Now as we have started the chapter, I have told you the types of solutions are basically dependent on what? Dependent on the three states of matter. Either it's going to be gas, liquid, and solid. So you can see the table. The table is that we have total 9 types of solution that are usually observed. Now this table is really very important and you have to learn it. अब इसको देख के आप परेशान हो जाएंगे ये टेबल बहुत मुश्किल है हमने तो करना ही नहीं है तो that is not the case. Think wisely, you will be able to do that. Okay. सबसे पहले the first one we will write down solute, then we will write down solvent, and then examples. Now, if we talk about number one, and we say solute, solute क्या चीज है जो कि lesser quantity में है, that is lesser, and solvent जो ज्यादा है. Just like if we are saying that we are adding sugar in water or in milk, the sugar is in less quantity, that is solute, and the solvent is remaining one जिससे आप चीज को full कर रहे हो. It can be milk, it can be water. So we are going to discuss one by one the types of solution. Number one in your book says that if the solute is gas, यानी कि थोड़ी quantity में है, then the solvent is also if gas. The example is, you all know the example, very common example is air, because air is combination of different gases in which there is no water, there is nothing, still we are able to feel air. So we can say gas solution is the example of air. Then on your book it is mixture of hydrogen and helium in weather balloons. There are so many balloons. Basically the balloon which goes up उसके अंदर गैस फिल होती है, that is helium gas, that has the capacity to blown away the balloon. So this is also the example. Then mixture of nitrogen and oxygen in cylinders for respiration. अब जिस तरह से आजकल आपको पता है कोरोना वायरस है, एवरीबडी खुदा ना खास्ता unfortunately if someone get infected due to coronavirus, then many of you have listened in the news that oxygen cylinders are getting reduced day by day, or either they are starting send it in black. So basically उसमें पर्पस क्या है, उस सिलेंडर के अंदर ऑक्सीजन गैस फिल होती है, दैट इज आल्सो कंबाइंड विद नाइट्रोजन गैस, एंड देन वी सक इट. तो हमारी ऑक्सीजन जो लंग्स तक नहीं जा रही होती, दैट विल हेल्प आउट अस टू रेस्पायर properly. So this is an example. Number one was air. Air is a mixture of many gases. Then there is another example of mixture of hydrogen and helium in weather balloon. Balloon से आप याद रख सकते हैं कि दोनों में gases ही होती हैं. That's why the balloons are able to go up. Then there is cylinders in which oxygen gas is filled along with a little bit traces of nitrogen that are helpful in respiration. ठीक है, पहले वाला याद करना आसान है. Now number two is in which solute is gas, means it is in less quantity, and solvent. What you can do, you can write down under solute less and solvent greater, just like I have written. If you are able to see, ये देखें बुक के ऊपर ही आप लिख लें, it will be more easy to learn for you. That solute is always in less quantity and solvent is always in greater quantity. You can write it down just for the sake of your own convenience. Now we are saying if a gas is present and we have filled it up with liquid, then you can also think by yourself that what would be the example in which little bit amount of gas is adding and more is liquid. Then you can see the oxygen in water. The water formula is H2O. All of us know that hydrogen. H2O is the formula. Hydrogen is a gas, oxygen is also a gas, but when we combine these two, water is going to be formed. So the oxygen present in water is the example of gas to liquid phase, and carbon dioxide in water as well, right? ये आप आसानी से याद रख सकते हैं that there are two gases, oxygen in water and carbon dioxide in water. These are example of gas to liquid phase, यानी water and carbon dioxide, sorry, oxygen. ये दोनों की दोनों water phase. So this is the example of gas liquid. Then coming towards the third one, which is in which solute is gas and the third form is obviously solid. Then you can also think about it that what is the example of this. Basically, there are so many reactions which are carried out and in labs, but for these reactions to carry out speedily, we introduce some enzyme, we introduce some catalyst. If you know about it, catalyst basically क्या करते हैं? Catalyst are those important things, important particles होते हैं that doesn't take participate in the reaction, but they speed up the reaction and the reaction goes very fast. Okay, so there is an example: hydrogen absorbed on palladium. This is a reaction. Hydrogen, palladium is Pb. So it is in solid form and it is gas form. Palladium is added to complete the reaction. Basically, this reaction is used hydrogenation of घी. Oil की जब manufacturing हो रही होती है तो तब ये process इधर use किया जाता है, right? Number 4 is liquid. अब गैस के तीनों के साथ combination हो गए, गैस के साथ gas, liquid, gas, solid. Now it's finished. Now we are coming towards liquid. When solid solute is liquid. Number 1, when it is going to be reacted with gas. Gas के साथ, gas with liquid, gas with solid. Now we are coming towards second state as a solute in which liquid is present as a solute and solvent is gas. So we can see the examples: fog, smoke, mist. There are so many perfumes and deodorants, mist. That is an example of it. Then liquid air pollutants. All these are examples of liquid gas phase. Then there comes liquid and liquid. The liquid के साथ ही क्या होगी? Just like as we have done gas with gas. So liquid with liquid, we can say when we take alcohol, alcohol का functional group होता है OH. That's why short terminology to write down alcohol is dash OH. OH in water, both are liquid. ठीक है, अल्कोहल हम लेस क्वांटिटी में ले सकते हैं और वाटर जो है ज्यादा क्वांटिटी में ले सकते हैं. देन इट विल बी अ परफेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन. देन देयर इज अनदर एग्जांपल ऑफ बेंजीन. बेंजीन इन एंड अदर टॉलिन. दीज आर द स्ट्रक्चर्स. ये रिंग 6 रिंग बना के हेक्सागोनल, उसके अंदर इस तरह से बना देना. दिस इज बेंजीन इन टॉलिन, जिसके साथ आप फंक्शनल ग्रुप CH3 इंट्रोड्यूस करा देते हो. So this is the example. Both are liquids. But in this case, alcohol is solute. इसको हम less amount में लेंगे. Water will be in greater and act as solvent. Similarly, benzene will be in less and toluene will be in greater, or it can be vice versa. दोनों change हो सकते हैं. ठीक है? So this one is the example of liquid into liquid. Now coming towards number 6, that is liquid and then only solid. Now think about it, that what can be the example, the liquid into solid. There are example copied in your books, that is butter and cheese. Whenever we use butter, if it is not in freezer or fridge, it is coming out with the help of room temperature or the temperature in your kitchen, it start melting. It means this solid is going to be converted into liquid. Basically it is a solid form, लेकिन जब उसको हम बाहर करते हैं तो that is also having some proportion of liquid. That's why it has the capacity to convert it to the liquid state. So cheese and butter are same things. Okay. Then there comes solid. We have discussed about gas and liquid, and then we coming about solid. If solute is solid and solvent is gas, then you must think about it that what is the example. You can say that dust particles or smoke in air. Whenever there is so much, you can say जब आपकी बाइक्स का मोटर बाइक्स का और ये जो है हमारी गाड़ी इसका जो है सिलेंसर खराब होता है and it produces very much large amount of black smoke. That is a very good example of it, and you can also got it that dust particles. Then coming towards gas and sorry, solid and then it is liquid. Then it is a very common example which I am telling you again and again, the sugar in water. Solute कम amount में लेना हमने और water से उसको ज़्यादा कर देंगे. So this is an example. You can also call it salt. You can also take sugar in milk. मतलब so many examples you have to call it. Then solid into solid. Solid के साथ हैं. Then metal alloys is a very big example of it. In the start of chapter, we also studied about it. Brass and bronze are two common examples in which we study this phenomena. So these were 9 different types. सबसे पहले याद करने का तरीका दोबारा से repeat कर रही हूँ. Please listen it. That solute is the amount, that amount which is in less quantity, जिसके अंदर आपने दूसरी चीज को mix करना है. And the other thing which is going to be mixed with that, that is solvent. Now you can also write it down that solute is always in lesser quantity and solvent is always in greater amount. So we have 3 phases of matter. Number 1 was gas, and the other one is liquid, and the third one is solid. Like we are making solutions. अभी इसके बाद मैंने पूछना है आप लोगों से that what we have studied. We have 3 states of matter: gas, liquid, solid. Okay, all of you know it previously. It's your previous knowledge. Then what we have to do, हमने दो चीजों के अंदर segregate करते गया solution को. Number 1 was solute and the other one was solvent. So we have to make mixture. Gas को हम लेंगे as a solute when it is acting as a solute. First we will make with gas, then we will make solution with liquid, and at the end we will make solution with solid. Then here we take on your video off करके. Then if liquid is acting as solute, so when what we will do, we will make with gas, liquid, and the third state is obviously solid. So we can also study it that gas phase, gas liquid, gas solid, liquid gas, liquid liquid solid solution. The third one in which solid is acting as solute, then same gas, liquid, and then again solid. So in this case what happens, solid gas reaction solution, solid liquid solution, then solid solution. Now these you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, these are total 9 types of solution. Each and everything I have explained it well in your books. According to your books only, you have to do, just think about it. You can take the screenshot of it so that you can learn it easily. Then simply you have to think that what is the example of gas into gas. It just come in fraction of seconds, that air is the example. Similarly, you have to find out the other examples. It will be very easy for all of you to learn it. Clear? Afan, are you listening?
Yes, I'm listening.
Is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Zuhair?
यस
वीडियो क्यों बंद की थी ये बताएं.
ये वो कुछ खा रहा था.
वेरी फनी है. अच्छा, क्लियर हो गया ये टेबल?
यस
ठीक है. अलीशा, आमना, मेहरुनिसा, मुजना, Rabia, anyone of you want to ask any question, they can. We have few minutes. Hurry up.
मुझे समझ आ गई सारी.
Welcome. Yes, Alicia, do you want to ask anything?
नहीं टीचर आ गई है सारी समझ।
चलें ठीक है, दैट्स गुड। ओके, सो वी मूव फर्दर। देयर इज पेज नंबर 100 नाउ। टेस्ट योरसेल्फ 6.1। अच्छा बेटे, कल जो हमारी क्लास है ना, हाँ कल हमारी सुबह क्लास कितने बजे है? आई थिंक इट्स, I don't know whatever the time is, right? So before that, I will first listen this type of question. This is really very very important. पेपर में हर मर्तबा almoस्ट आया है, so this is very important. मैंने अपनी पूरी एफर्ट की है कि आप लोगों को समझ आ जाए. Still if you have
ये पूरा टेबल याद करना पड़ेगा।
टेबल याद करना पड़ेगा, वही तो बताया जोहेब मैंने कि कुछ भी नहीं है। देखो ये वाले को पास स्क्रीनशॉट लो, इसको पास सेव करो। वी हैव 3 स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर, गैस, लिक्विड, सॉलिड। ठीक है, अब हमने गैस इन जिनको मैंने ऐसे लिखा है ना, वी आर कंसीडरिंग इट सोल्यूट, तीनों को, कि हमने इसकी लेस अमाउंट ऐड की है। और सॉल्वेंट्स के तौर पे क्या ऐड हो सकते हैं? गैस, गैस, तीनों स्टेट्स नीचे लिख दी है साथ, गैस विद गैस, गैस लिक्विड, गैस विद सॉलिड। देन सोल्यूट में लिक्विड के थोड़ी अमाउंट में है, उसका कॉम्बिनेशन जब गैस के साथ बनेगा, लिक्विड के साथ बनेगा, सॉलिड के साथ बनेगा, तो जब आप एक दो दफा उस टेबल को याद करने की कोशिश करेंगे, इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू लर्न। एग्जांपल्स आपके साथ खुद ब खुद आपको आती जाएंगी। ऑल ऑफ यू कैन टेक स्क्रीनशॉट इफ यू वांट टू, तो आपको इजी हो जाएगा ये टेबल याद करना। स्टिल अगर नहीं समझ आएगा, याद करोगे, यू आर वेलकम टू आस्क एनी क्वेश्चन। कल हम क्लास से पहले डिस्कस कर लेंगे दोबारा, ठीक है? Now moving on, test yourself 6.1, which is page number 100. Question number 1. Why is a solution considered mixture? Hanji, anybody wants to give answer? Why is a solution considered mixture? जी, उस्मान।
ये सॉल्यूशन को मिक्सचर इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि मिक्सचर एक ऐसी चीज होती है जिसमें दो या ज्यादा, एक सेकंड टीचर, मिक्सचर को, सॉल्यूशन को मिक्सचर इसलिए कंसिडर किया जाता है क्योंकि मिक्सचर एक ऐसी चीज है जिसके अंदर दो या दो से ज्यादा कंपोनेंट्स को मिक्स किया जाए, और सॉल्यूशन भी एक मिक्सचर की तरह है क्योंकि इसमें दो या दो से ज्यादा कंपोनेंट्स मिक्स होते हैं।
Anyone else wants to give the answer? Do you have any idea about it?
तो जैसे उस्मान ने कहा वैसे ही है।
क्या कहा है उस्मान ने? मुझे तो समझ ही नहीं आया, जरा बताएं मुझे।
जो उस्मान ने कहा है कि जो सॉल्यूशन होता है ना, सॉल्यूशन तब बनता है जब दो चीजें मिक्स होती हैं, तो फिर वो मिक्सचर ही बन जाएगा। मिक्सचर और सॉल्यूशन तकरीबन सेम है।
ठीक है जनाब। Anyone else from girls? From girls side, nobody is willing to give the answer, right? So a solution is considered as a mixture because both the solution and the mixture constituents, means उसके जो components हैं, can be separated by physical means. This is the reason. जो आप दोनों बात कह रहे हैं, that is 100% correct. बट साइंटिफिकली हम ये आंसर दे नहीं सकते कि सबको पता है सोल्यूशन और मिक्सचर ऐसी ही चीजें हैं। बट द आंसर विच यू विल राइट डाउन इट इज दैट जो उसकी कंपोनेंट्स हैं दैट कैन बी सेपरेटेड बाय फिजिकल मींस। फिजिकल मींस के आप उनको आइदर इवेपोरेशन, आइदर क्रिस्टलाइजेशन, इन दोनों को एक्सट्रैक्ट आउट कर सकते हैं। सो द आंसर विल बी दिस। देन number 2, distinguish between the following pairs as compound or solution. Number 1, water and salt solution. Now in it, part A, water and salt solution. What is water in it, Usman?
कैन यू टेल?
चलें बताएं सुहेब आप।
जब वाटर सॉल्वेंट है और सॉल्ट सोल्यूट है।
Salt solute है, but they are saying that you have to distinguish as compound or solution. देखिए क्वेश्चन पढ़ें, ये देखिए।
ओके,
आपने बताना है कि इनमें से कंपाउंड कौन सा है और सोल्यूशन कौन सा है। ठीक है, read the question. Distinguish between the following pairs as compound or solution. Means number 1 is water and salt solution. बिल्कुल ठीक आपने बताया। You can say water is a compound and solution is salt solution. It is a mixture. Then vinegar and benzene. Vinegar and benzene. Usman, do you know the
Benzene
answer?
compound. Benzene is a compound.
Yeah, benzene is a compound and
Vinegar is a solution.
Solution. Vinegar क्या होता है? Have you ever seen at your kitchen? In your kitchen?
सिरका जिसे कहते हैं.
हाँ, सिरका, white vinegar. इसका फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? पता है किसी को?
इसमें एसिटिक एसिड डाला होता है, ये पता है, फॉर्मूला नहीं पता.
Vinegar जो है, that is acetic acid by itself. CH3COOA. Acetic acid का ही दूसरा नाम vinegar है. We add some water in acetic acid to make dilute solution of vinegar and then we use it in cooking purposes. ठीक है? तो benzene जो है वो बहुत you can say it is a solvent. ये less quantity में डलती है. That's why it is going to be compound. Then carbonated drinks and acetone. Carbonated drink will be solution and
Acetone is a compound.
एसीटोन लैब्स में कहाँ यूज होता है? एनी आइडिया? एसीटोन नहीं पता?
नहीं.
एसीटोन बेसिकली जो नेल पॉलिश रिमूवर होता है ना, गर्ल्स यूज करती हैं, दैट इज एसीटोन. उसके अंदर सारी की सारी एसीटोन भरी होती है. ठीक है? और हमारे पास जो स्पिरिट लैंप्स होते हैं जिसके ऊपर छोटा सा थ्रेड होता है और उसको हम स्विच ऑन करते हैं, दैट इज फिल्ड विद एसीटोन. दैट इज आल्सो यूज्ड फॉर हेल्पिंग टू लाइटनिंग द फ्लेम. ठीक है? देन देयर इज क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द मेजर डिफरेंस.
एसीटोन का केमिकल फार्मूला क्या है? एसीटोन का केमिकल फार्मूला क्या होता है?
बता रही हूँ. CH3 bond COOCH3. This is the formula of acetone. ठीक है? ये फंक्शनल ग्रुप कार्बोनाइल ग्रुप है हमारे पास और उसके दोनों तरफ हमारे पास CH3 लगा होता है. ठीक है? This is acetone formula. You can also write it down like C3H6O. दोनों तरह से लिखते हैं हम. ठीक है?
Yes.
Now, what is the major difference between a solution and a mixture? Basically, solution always exists in one phase, that is homogeneous as well, and a mixture may be more than one phase. It's like it can be solid and it can be liquid, but solution is always a mixture that is fully in a very good form. Like if we have added anything that is going to be intermingled with that. Then why are the alloys considered a solution? You have to write down its answer. पता है इसका आंसर? Why are the alloys considered a solution? उस्मान ज़ुहैब.
मेरे ख्याल से एलॉय दो मेटल्स को एकदम जब 100% मिक्स कर दिया जाए तो उसके दरमियान डिफरेंस नहीं पता चल पाता कि आयरन कहाँ पे और ब्रास कहाँ पे है, तब वो एक एलॉय बन जाता है, इसलिए उसे सॉल्यूशन कहते हैं.
मतलब इनकी एक वेरिएबल कंपोजिशन होती है. मींस अगर लेट्स से एक कंपाउंड बना हुआ है कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन से. ठीक है? बट इफ देयर आर लेट्स से 12 एटम्स ऑफ कार्बन, 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of oxygen and nitrogen is 7. तो ये और तरह की composition consist करेगी. It's just having variable composition, means कि इनके number of atoms change होने से आगे से further compound change हो जाता है. This is the difference. Then there is number 5. Dead Sea is so rich in salts that it forms crystals when temperature lowers in the winter. Can you comment why it is named as Dead Sea? आंसर इसी में उन्होंने खुद भी दे दी है. बताएगा कोई मुझे आंसर?
ये आंसर के जो उसमें बहुत ज्यादा सॉल्ट होता है. अगर हम फिर अगर हम लोग उस पानी को पी लेंगे तो हमारे जो फिर गुर्दे खराब हो जाएंगे, पता नहीं क्या होगा.
Exactly, because Dead Sea तो नाम ही इसी चीज पे दिया हुआ है. जब आप मैं छोटी क्लासेस में थे, you were able to learn that Mediterranean Sea and Dead Sea, because it has very high amount of salt concentration in that, so it's impossible for all the living organisms to survive in that water. Means इतनी ज्यादा salt, खाने में आप salt की quantity ज्यादा कर लो, it will not be able that you can drink it that. So tea पूरे का पूरा उस चीज से बड़ा हुआ है, तो it is not good for any living thing, so that's why it is known as Dead Sea. The thing which has gone inside, it will definitely come out as a dead thing, right? Now the homework is that you have to do the definitions of saturated solutions, unsaturated and supersaturated solution with the help of examples. Then there is that what is dilution of solution and how many types of dilution of solutions are present, right? Then you have to learn this table, that how many types of solution are there and how we can categorize it. ठीक है, मैं रिटन फॉर्म में भी आपको सेंड कर दूंगी ये. एंड देन देयर इज टेस्ट योरसेल्फ 6.1 ऑन पेज नंबर 100. यहाँ तक कल सारे करो, उसके बाद मैं सुनूंगी, देन वी विल प्रोसीड फर्दर. ठीक है
जो टेस्ट योरसेल्फ जो कॉपी में करना है.
हाँ,
टीचर लेकिन अब
कॉपी पे कर.
जब वो वर्कबुक में अगर हुआ है हमारे तो फिर वो कॉपी में दोबारा से उठाना जरूरी है.
मुझे वर्कबुक दिखाओ जरा इधर से, कौन सी वाली वर्कबुक है आपकी?
जब मैं 2 मिनट में लेकर आया, 2 मिनट में.
2 मिनट में टाइम खत्म हो जाएगा. जल्दी से आओ, जल्दी से.
चाहिए जितना टाइम बताता है उससे जल्दी आ जाता है.
क्या
चाहिए जितना टाइम बताता है उससे जल्दी आ जाता है.
Alicia, Fatma, Mehru, Muzna, if you want to ask any question, beta, you can ask.
जब मैं ले आया हूँ वर्कबुक, ये यहाँ पर जो सारे टेस्ट योरसेल्फ हुए हैं सॉल्व.
शुरू से दिखाओ मुझे,
शुरू से
फर्स्ट पेज.
चाहिए
द ब्लू वन. नहीं, बाहर क्या लिखा हुआ है?
बाय.
क्लोज इट. हाँ ठीक है, ओपन करें जरा. अच्छा, आपका कहने का मकसद है दैट यू वांट टू प्रिपेयर इट फ्रॉम हियर, कि टेस्ट योरसेल्फ आप इधर से प्रिपेयर कर लो.
यस.
चले ऐसा कर लें, दैट्स नॉट एन इशू. बस लिखने व्हेन वंस यू स्टार्ट राइटिंग तो आपके हाथ से एक चीज निकल जाती है ना, देन इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू टू लर्न दैट.
लेकिन फिर नोट्स का क्या फायदा हुआ? नोट्स का
फायदा ये होगा कि वो नोट्स ही रह जाते हैं. मुझे पता है, मुझे हमने भी पढ़ा होगा बहुत ज्यादा.
नोट्स का ये फायदा है कि अगर आपको किसी क्वेश्चन की समझ नहीं आ रही तो आप वहां से खोल के देख सकते हो.
कोई बात नहीं है, डोंट डू इट. अगर आपके पास हैंडआउट्स हैं, यू इट्स वेल एंड गुड कि आप उधर से प्रिपेयर कर लो. बिकॉज व्हेनेवर द स्कूल्स आर गोइंग टू बी ओपन तो आपके फिर टेस्ट ही हुआ करेंगे. नोबडी इज गोइंग टू रिपीट इट फॉर यू. इसीलिए सारे बैठ के इधर अपना टाइम जो है वो आप लोगों को दे रहे हैं, सो दैट आपका हर्ज ना हो. और ये ना आप सोचना कि 9th क्लास के जहन में ये हो कि वी आर आल्सो गेटिंग प्रमोटेड इन क्लास 10 विदाउट द एग्जाम्स. इट इज नॉट द केस. Till that time, कोरोना से खुदा ना खास्ता, अनफॉर्चुनेटली कोरोना रिमेन्स. कोई ना कोई फाइंड आउट वे हो ही जाएगा आपके एग्जाम्स का. अगर हम, क्योंकि अगर ऐसे हमारे बच्चों को डिग्रीज मिलने लगी तो माशाल्लाह फिर क्या क्या चीजें आएंगी मार्केट में. ठीक है,
यस.
इसलिए आप लोग ये चीज ना अपने जहन में रखें, बिकॉज आई हैव सीन मैनी ऑफ द क्लास 10 स्टूडेंट्स, they are not taking much attention, but I think, and look at your own class, only 2 are over there. Hussain is also not present. Last time wo aaya tha, but he is not over here right now. गर्ल्स की स्ट्रेंथ का नहीं मुझे मालूम, लेकिन बॉयज तो मेरा ख्याल है आपकी क्लास में कितने हैं उस्मान?
9.
9. So 2 are only over here. 7 का कोई पता ही नहीं है.
जो सिर्फ 5 का पता है. मैं इब्राहिम होता है, सादियुनस आ जाए और हुसैन होता है, जोएबन में. बस
साथ भी देखो नहीं आता, और जो है
अदियान भी नहीं आता.
कौन?
अदियान